What's the meaning of cortisone? Cortisone. Cortisone.
Cortisone. Cortisone. Cortisone is a type of steroid hormone that helps to regulate various bodily functions and reduce inflammation. It is commonly used as a medication to treat a range of conditions, including allergies, asthma, arthritis, and skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Cortisone works by suppressing the immune system and reducing inflammation, which can help to alleviate symptoms and promote healing. However, long-term use of cortisone can have side effects such as weight gain, mood changes, high blood pressure, and weakened bones. Therefore, it should be used with caution and under medical supervision.